So tonight we're cooking some chicken breasts. I'm gonna put it in the oven for a few hours and let it bake. And then we're gonna have, what are these, Jace?
Chicken noodles.
We're gonna have some noodles. This is a 16-ounce bag. It was a big bag, so I had to divide it in half since we're gonna do it as a side dish with cream of chicken concentrate, low sodium. And then the seasoning I use is salt, pepper. This is the best seasoning ever. Not advertising for nothing. They're not paying me for nothing. Just the seasoning I love to use. Sazon Perfecta is perfect seasoning mix. Seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then another side, the kids are gonna have some peas and whoever want broccoli. Me and my lover bug eat broccoli.
I like the beans.
You like the peas?
Yeah.
Why you like peas, Jace?
These peas and the chicken noodles.
Why you like the peas? Are they good?
Yeah, I'm good.
They're good. And then I'm gonna cut up some onions to put in there, season it, put in the oven.
The onions.
Yeah, there's the onions.
And then what?
And then I'm gonna put the seasoning and let it sit in the oven for a few hours just to get the chicken tender.
What?
I cut them in half. I'm gonna try to tenderize them a little bit.
Mommy, what is this?
Alright guys, a lot of people asked for measurements, so I just went ahead and did the measurement. I got 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, which is this one. And then salt, I got a 1/2 teaspoon. Garlic powder, I got 2 teaspoons. Onion powder, I got 2 teaspoons. And then pepper, I got 1 teaspoon. And then I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of this after I mix this all up and put it in there. And I'm gonna I put the onions in there, and the key is I put some of the onions under the chicken. It helps tenderize the meat too. So when I get that done, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna put it in the oven about 300 again, like I did the ribs last night, and just let it slowly cook. And then when almost done, I'll do the sides. Alright guys, it's about to go in the oven. I put the lid on it just to keep the moisture in there.
I like the chicken.
You like the chicken?
Yeah.
Excuse me, Jason. Let mommy get this real quick. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
How long
There's
does it
the
have to
chicken.
stay in there?
Mommy, we're gonna cook it for a few hours, so it's real tender, okay? Okay, thank you. Go on. Let mommy put this in here. It's gonna be hot. Well, I'm gonna keep chicken in there a few hours, and then I'll let you guys see. Keep the lid on it for about 3 hours. Alright, everyone, has been in there a little over 2 hours. We took it out because it's done already. This chicken is so tender. Look at this. It just splits up real smooth and tender. Scrape all them onions out there. My baby's about to put a little barbecue on his and put it back in the oven. Got the peas. The noodles with cream of mushroom. I got the broccoli in the bag in the microwave. I'm going to set the plates up and I'll show you what the ending result is. Well guys, here's the ending result. Cream of chicken with noodles, some broccoli, peas, and my baby put barbecue sauce on his. And here's mine. I just put barbecue sauce on the side. It smells really good in here. You guys should try it. Please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. God bless.
I forgot.
May God bless the food we have received. God bless.
Amen.
Amen.
Is it good, D?
Yeah. It's good.
I don't like the noodles.
You like chicken noodles? You try it. It's really
I
good.
love the broccoli.
I like the
Yeah, veggies are good for you.